Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Tomorrow is a special day. Tomorrow is a special day. Tomorrow, you will get your report cards. Tomorrow, you will get your report cards. Some of you got very good grades. Some of you got very good grades. Others did not do so well. Others did not do so well. Please be right on time tomorrow. Please be right on time tomorrow. I hope you got good grades. I hope you got good grades. I hope so too. I hope so too. My parents are going to get me a gift. My parents are going to get me a gift. But only if I get good grades. But only if I get good grades. Okay, we're going to start with our lesson for the day now. Okay, we're going to start with our lesson for the day now. From now on, you must be quiet. From now on, you must be quiet. And you must listen to me. And you must listen to me. Especially you, Lisa. Especially you, Lisa. A few hours later. A few hours later. Hi, Lisa. How was school? Hi, Lisa. How was school? It was all good, Dad. It was all good, Dad. Is everything really okay, Lisa? Is everything really okay, Lisa? Yes. Why do you ask? Yes. Why do you ask? You look like you're not okay. You look like you're not okay. Tomorrow we'll get our report cards. Tomorrow we'll get our report cards. Oh, really? That's great. Oh, really? That's great. You will get a gift no matter what. You will get a gift no matter what. As long as you get good grades. As long as you get good grades. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad. I'm going to sleep now. I'm going to sleep now. I'm tired. I'm tired. Okay, sweetheart. Okay, sweetheart. One day later. One day later. Lisa, you need to get up. Lisa, you need to get up. You can't be late. You can't be late. I don't want to go to school today, Dad. I don't want to go to school today, Dad. You must go, Lisa. You must go, Lisa. Today you will get your report card. Today, you will get your report card. Come on, get dressed. Come on, get dressed. We're about to leave. We're about to leave. Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad. I've been thinking about something, Lisa. I've been thinking about something, Lisa. If you get good grades, we'll go to the zoo. If you get good grades, we'll go to the zoo. What, really? I've always wanted to go to the zoo. What, really? I've always wanted to go to the zoo. Very nice. Very nice. Then we just need to make sure your report card is good. Then we just need to make sure your report card is good. And then we'll go to the zoo. And then we'll go to the zoo. You can do it, Lisa. You can do it, Lisa. Your report card can't be that bad. Your report card can't be that bad. Good morning, dear students. Good morning, dear students. Today is our last day of school. Today is our last day of school. That means you'll get your report card. That means you'll get your report card. Congratulations to Sarah. Congratulations to Sarah. She has the best report card in the class. She has the best report card in the class. Congratulations, Sarah. Congratulations, Sarah. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot, everyone. Mr. Smith, can I ask a question? Mr. Smith, can I ask a question? Of course, Morgan. What is it? Of course, Morgan. What is it? Who has the worst report card? Who has the worst report card? I won't tell you that. I won't tell you that. The person who got it knows. The person who got it knows. Here are your report cards. Here are your report cards. See you in a couple of weeks. See you in a couple of weeks. Then the new school year begins. Then the new school year begins. Lisa, finally you are here. Lisa, finally you are here. How is your report card? How is your report card? Here it is, Dad. Here it is, Dad. Lisa's report card. Subject, German, grade C. Subject, English, grade B. Subject, Math, grade E. Subject, History, grade D. Lisa's report card. Subject, German, grade C. Subject, English, grade B. Subject, Math, grade E. Subject History, Grade D. Lisa, you got an E in math. Lisa, you got an E in math. How can that be? How can that be? But Dad, I got a B in English. But Dad, I got a B in English. That doesn't make it any better. That doesn't make it any better. And in history, you got a D. And in history, you got a D. That's enough. That's enough. No more meeting friends and having fun. No more meeting friends and having fun. From now on, every day is spent learning. From now on, every day is spent learning. You can forget about the zoo. You can forget about the zoo. You have not earned it. You have not earned it. Now go to your room and study for next year. Now go to your room and study for next year. Who has the best report card in the class? A, Marcus, B, Morgan, C, Sarah. Leave a comment. Who has the best report card in the class? A, Marcus, B, Morgan, C, Sarah. Leave a comment.